So hey friends, how are you? So welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to make animations in our website to make the website beautiful. So firstly, let's see which kind of animation we are going to make. So let's dive into our dashboard. So yes, we are in the dashboard of the framework. Yes, there is our framework dashboard, and let's see which kind of animation we are going to do. So we have simply a website in which we can see that there is animation when we load the website. As you can see, when we go down, the section comes from right to left and left to right, and in the hue section we have animation of fading. So how can we do this animation in the Framer website? Let's go and find out. So now we are in the Framer dashboard, and I have already made two sections for the inconvenience of long form video. Okay, so there is simply a h1, and this is our paragraph, and this is simply image, and as these two are images which will be coming from left to right and right to left. Okay, and let's come to our header section. In the header section, as we can see, the heading will come first, and then the paragraph, and thirdly the image will come. So let's see how can we do this. So what we have to do, simply select the section in which we are going to perform the animation. So we are going to perform the animation in the hero section, so simply select the hero section. Okay, select the hue section and come down to the CSS panel and go down. Here we can see the scroll section. This is the ID panel of the section which we are going to perform animations. Okay, so simply open this and give it an ID relevant to the section. Okay, so this is our hero section, so we will give it ID to the hero. Okay, after that what we have to do, now we have to animate the heading firstly. So simply select the heading and go to the effect panel in the CSS. Okay, so simply open this and go to the appear section. After that, select appear and go to the section in view section. After that, we have section, we set it to the hero, and there are three viewports. These describe when the animation will perform. The top one describes when the top panel of the section will go across to the height of your laptop and your desktop. Okay, and the middle one defines the animation when the screen come to the middle one section, and the last one describes when the desktop screen come to the last. Okay, so let's go to the middle one. It is the perfect choice for the designers and for the developers. Simply select this, and this is the replay section that you want to replay your animations or no. So simply select it to the no, and these are the animations which we are going to perform. Okay, so there are some animations, so simply we will going to select scale in animation, which will describe when our website will load, the heading will scale in, means it will describe the animation of zoom in. Okay, simply select it, and after this there are two panels, enter and exit. So remove the exit panel and go to the enter panel and go to the transitions and select the transition to 1 and bounce to the point 1. Okay, and let's see what will happen. As we can see, when the site loads, our heading will appear with a scale in transition. We're going to see it again. Yes, and what we have to do with this animation, this paragraph, so simply go to the effects panel and select appear. Select the section, choose your hero section and set it viewport to the middle, replace replay now, and select the animations now fade in. And we will try this one by one, and firstly we have used scale in, now we are going to use fade in animation, and remove the exit panel and we do the same transition that we have done before. Time to the 1 and bounce to the point 1. But there is a difference from the before one, because we are going to delay it 0.1 second, because firstly the heading will appear, then the paragraph will appear. If we do not make it delay, both the animations will come same time. Okay, so we have to delay it 0.1 second or 0.2 seconds. You can describe it yourself. So we are going to make it 0.1 delay. Okay, and this is the third animation that we are going to perform. Simply go to the image section and go to the layout, go to the effect section, choose the same effect as we have done before, 1.1, and here is the difference from above. The first have no delay, the second had 0.1 delay, and the third one has 0.2 delay. Means after the element come after the above heading will have a delay of 0.1 second. Okay, now it has 0.2 second, and we are going to see this also from left to right and right to left animations. So we are going to do this now. Simply select the images that you want to perform animations, and so firstly we have to give the section heading as we discussed before. So this is the second section, as we can see here in the naming. So go down to the CLS panel and select the scroll section and give it name to the second. Okay, and this is the image on which we are going to perform animation. So simply select this and go to the effect section and go to the appear section, select the same things as we have done before, and there we will select the second ID that we have done now. Okay, select the middle section, and after that we will go to the animations and we will select the slide in left. Means the slide which you are choosing will come from the left side. Okay, and after that we will remove the exit panel. As for the same, we will discuss it with the second image. Simply select this, go to appear and selection, and then to the second panel in the middle we play no, and select from the right, slide in right, and remove the exit panel. Okay, and after that we are going to see the final result. Simply publish the link from here. Here is our link. Simply go this, and as we can see, our animation are doing well, but some of the animations are not working well. Let's see why these were not working. So this image is not working, I think. So okay, this is our animations. We have applied a wrong animation. So simply go to the appear, select the section, go to the here section, in the middle one you play to the no, and select the scale in animation. Remove the exit panel and go to into this and select the screen, time to the 1, and it has 0.1 animation, and delay to 0.2 as we are doing before. Okay, after that we will go to the publish button and publish the link, and simply go back to the same link and reload it. As we can see, our animation are working well. Okay, so by following this method you can easily apply animations into our Framer website and all other website. Okay, so if you want to consume this type of content, so simply subscribe my channel. We will do more videos, and keep loving and keep subscribing. Thank you.